Alright, this is part 2 of my military braid tutorial. I'm at the end. As you can see, I'm running out of ribbon. For some reason, even though you cut these ribbons the same length, I always end up with one much shorter than the other. Don't ask me how, it just is. Okay, this turned out to be 24 inches long, and each ribbon I cut at 96 inches, I believe, if I did my math right. Okay, so what I'm going to do with the end of this is I'm just going to fold that one up into that last loop, just straight like that. Then I'm going to fold this one up so they are like this, or I could do it like this. Doesn't really matter. This part is going to be hidden under the flower. So I'm just going to put a little glue there. Just glue them to each other like that. I can trim that piece off a little bit. Okay, and then on the bottom of this, I'm going to trim a little bit too. And since this is grosgrain, it's going to fray a little bit. So I'm going to take a lighter. Just going to burn the ends of those ribbons real quick like that. Not just barely touching the ends. Okay, so now they're not going to fray. Something stuck there. Okay. So you can see I've got this nice clean end. You could put a bow at the end or a trinket or anything along that. Now, when I hang this on the mum, I can hang it straight like that, or I can curl it like this. You can do lots of things with these. I am going to go ahead and put some gems on this. I've got these blue and gold gems. If I can pick them up, I will show you. Okay, there's a gold one. And these are small, so I have to be careful with the hot glue and just put a little dab on there. And I'm just going to sporadically put those on top of the other color. See that? Okay, if I can get a blue one, I will show you. Yep. Just a little bit of hot glue. And then I'm going to put that one on top of the yellow. Just dab it on there. So that just curls it up a little bit, makes it sparkly. And I'm just going to sporadically put those around to add some bling and some prettiness. And I also want to make a bow on it. So I need a Chanel stem or a pipe cleaner. This one is gold. Then I have this blue, sparkly, pretty ribbon. And I'm just going to fold that over to figure out what size bow I want. That's a little bit bigger than I'm wanting, so I'm going to put it this way so you can see it. Okay, that's about the size I want. I'm just making a simple, this is basically a cheer bow. So you're just taking it and folding over and folding over like that. Cut it. So if you want to find the center, you just go like this and then fold over and fold over. But I still messed it up somehow. Hold on, let me do it again. Okay, that's better. I'm going to take my Chanel stem. I'm just going to squish the bow together right there. Fold that over. Pull it. So I want to pull it tight and then give it a twist. And then give it a little cut. Right, and then I'm going to cut it like that and that. So it makes some these little ends like that. Okay. Now I'm just going to take it and I'm going to just push it up in there somehow if I can get it, find the center. I find the little holes in there. There it is, there's one. So I'm basically just tying it on there. I'm not even hot gluing it. You can hot glue it if you want. Again, I gotta find the little hole. Okay, I'm gonna pull this through. That was a little difficult. It's usually not that difficult. But then I'm just gonna give it a couple of twists. Okay. So there's just a little simple bow at the very end. And you could put bows all the way up. I've done that before. It looks really cute. It's very girly. And you could make a bigger bow than this. This is just a really simple bow to put on homecoming mums, to put on the ends of your braids. Easy to make. And I usually just like this. I usually just tie mine on. I rarely ever hot glue them on. Okay guys, thanks. Bye.